In this video, we're going to review the first place where you'll find Motiva, which is within your Eloqua instance. As you can see here, we're on the Eloqua homepage. To find Motiva, navigate over to your campaigns, and where you're going to be using Motiva within Eloqua is within a multi-step campaign. You cannot use Motiva with a simple email campaign. You need to build a multi-step campaign. So click this, and we're going to start with a blank canvas. First thing to do is to name your campaign canvas and save it. Doing this will allow you to configure any Motiva emails. The second step is to expand your campaign steps and make sure that you have each of your Motiva steps favorited by selecting the star icon next to those steps. On your side, you're going to see 4 email decision service steps for Motiva. There will be email opened, email clicked, and email sent, as well as the Motiva AI Smart Suppress step connected to the Dark Pool tool. And then there will be 3 email steps: Motiva Message Testing AI, Motiva SendTime AI, and Motiva AI Simple Email. Make sure the star is selected next to each of those, and they will appear in your condensed list. So let's start by dragging a segment onto the canvas, and then we'll start by configuring a Motiva AI Simple Email. Connect those two up, double-click the step, click the pencil icon, and you'll see Motiva's custom configuration screen. This name field is connected to the name of any email report that's generated for this email step within the Motiva system. So make sure you use a unique identifier so you can find this email report within Motiva's app. The next step is to select an email to send, and this connects directly to your Eloqua email asset library. So scroll through or search for the email that you want to send. Next, with the simple email, you can choose which time of day you want this email to be sent. Based on the logic of the campaign, you may only want contacts to be sent this email during business days and business hours, and you can adjust those times and days here, or you can say no and it will send the email whenever the contact hits the step. Next, you can choose a time zone, which is for reporting purposes only. This will display the time zone of the send time report within the individual email report on the Motiva side. This does not impact when your emails will be sent. That is connected to your Eloqua account, which by default is the time zone that you are currently in. Next, if you're using frequency management, then you will need to uncheck this box. If you are not using frequency management, then you can keep it checked. It is on automatic default override. And then finally, your standard Eloqua settings are here. If you don't want to include a list unsubscribe header because you're dealing with unsubscribes in another way, you can unclick that here, and you can use any of your standard signature rules as well. Whenever you make a change in your configuration, note that this load circle appears next to your name. Once it disappears, it means the configuration is saved, and you can X out of the step. That's your quick introduction to the campaign canvas. If you want to see Motiva results after the campaign is finished, you can click on the Motiva AI results, and that will take you to your Motiva account here, which we'll take a look at next.